Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so for today's episode, it will be a challenge. Look at me, I'm on my sportwear. Yep, so I'm going to do a workout challenge. This is actually a challenge that is like very famous in YouTube and also in Facebook, that the trainer will only use 7 minutes per day and complete it within 7 days, that she'll be able to decrease her waistline by 1 to 2 inches. So it's kind of magic. To me, it's like too magical to know about this. The fact that I'm doing this challenge is because I put on like maybe 5 kg of weight.
5 kg of weight.
I've lost my waistline. It's now very meaty. Okay, that's why I couldn't stand the current me. I decided to take on this challenge. Let's see what I can achieve after 7 days. More importantly, I brought someone special with me in this challenge as well. Come. Yay! Okay, so it's my sis. The reason why I brought her in is because she is fatter than me now. She grown more weight than me. Look at her. So if you guys are curious about her result, stay tuned in this video, watch till the end, and then her result will be shown in the end. Let's challenge! Feel stamina. 你骗我了。This is your first day. Tired. 我觉得好饿。肚子好饿。Very late now. Okay, how's your second day? Good.
Tired.
Okay, compared to first day,
Less tired.
there's an improvement. We almost want to skip today, but thank God for holding up. What do you think of today? It's our day 4.
Nothing.
It's 11 p.m. and I've just finished my day 6. One more day to go, then I can't wait to see what's the result tomorrow. Yay! Completed it! Yay! The most important part here. Result measurements. Let's see how many inches I have lost. We have lost for these 7 days of waist training. So you guys can see that my waist has lost 1 inches each for my slimmest part of my waist and even my fattest part of my waist. Apart from this exercise, I actually went to a fitness class within these 7 days and then I ate cleans myself. To be honest, I expect more than 1 inches, but nevertheless, I did lose 1 kg for these 7 days of workout. Credit has to go to the 7 days of continuous exercising, and that increases up your metabolism and thus it reduces your weights. For her result, it's shocking too. You guys have to stay tuned and watch till the end part of this video to find out. I have to thanks to my sis for accompanying me to complete these challenges together. Okay, because she's someone who never exercised one. So a big thank you for her. And I guess this sums up this episode, 7 days waist challenge. So it's a success. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.
好像小杂波。